how to download and update the software to Samsung One UI 6 on the Samsung Galaxy A53. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on software update. Now tap on download and install. Next, tap on download button. Now this is a quite large file, so it may take some time, and depending on your internet connections, it may take a while. So just wait for the download to finish and your phone should update to the latest software. And here it is now downloading. It says time left is 7 minutes. Once it's downloaded, you can tap on the install now button. And we wait for the install to finish. Okay, after it has finished, you can check it. So we can swipe down, then tap on settings. In settings, go down, then tap on about phone, and then tap on software information. And in here, you should be able to see its update to Android 14. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.